Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool image around here, and basically what these are some laundry wool balls. So supposedly when you guys use this dryer ball, it's supposed to help you guys dry your clothes faster, but it also works as a natural fabric softener as well, which is kind of cool. So I never used one of these before, but I saw a lot of people mention how these work really well, so I went to test it out for myself to see what actually works. But you see the one that we got right here is from the brand called HandyLaundry. And for the one that we got right here, it comes in 6 balls. I believe they have this available in a bigger pack as well, like a 12 pack. So if you guys want more, you can definitely get more. And the cool thing about these is the fact that they are reusable, so you guys can use it over and over again. But first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys open up, you can definitely see the product inside. So I mentioned there's 6 of them. I'm only gonna take out one of them to show you guys what it actually looks like since they're all the same. Alright, so once you guys take it out, this is what the product looks like. So the way how you guys use this is actually very simple. Depending on the load that you guys have, that is how you guys determine how much to add. So if you guys are using a small or medium load, you probably want to add 3 to 4 of these. But if you guys are doing larger load, then you probably want to add 5 to 6 of these. So most likely you probably will be using like a large load. So that is why they provide guys 6 of them, so that way you throw all of them at the same time when you guys do use a large load. But when you guys feel the material on here, it definitely feels pretty nice. You can definitely feel that high quality wool that they use on here. And when you guys smell it, it smells pretty nice. It just smells like regular wool. And the cool thing about using this wool ball is the fact that you guys don't need to use any like liquid softeners or fabric softeners, sheets, and etc. And they also mentioned when you guys do use these wool balls, it's supposed to help you guys dry your clothes much faster. So that way you can save on your electricity as well. But that is everything that's on the product. Let me just go test this out to see how it works first. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the dry balls. Let me actually close it up and turn it on. Alright, so we'll come back and check on it once it's done. Alright, so the laundry is done. Let's check it out. So here is basically what the ball looks like once you guys finish. If you can see, it definitely looks pretty nice. And when you guys feel the laundry on here, it definitely feels really dry. I do notice when I was using it, it was actually drying much faster than usually, because when I set the timer on here or the drying time, it usually takes around like 2 hours. But once I finished, it took roughly around 1 hour and 30 minutes. And I used the lowest setting, the lower temperature. And it's actually really cool because when you guys do use it, you don't have to add any like dryer sheets, like the chemical ones. And these are all natural. So once you guys are done, you can just put it back in the bag and reuse it again next time. So let me say I have all 6 of them right here. And it definitely does work. Alright, welcome back guys. So next up, test the product definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. So what I do notice after using the product, it definitely dries a little bit faster. So I'm assuming it has something to do with the wool material I use on here to help you guys absorb like the moisture onto the ball. And that way it actually dries much faster because it's targeting the ball. At least that is how I think it works. I'm not 100% sure, but I do notice that it actually dries faster because when I use my dryer machine, usually it takes around like 2 to 3 hours to do the low settings on there. But it's done before the 2 hours that I mentioned, which is kind of cool. So that way I don't need to dry as long. So for me, I think I still want to use dryer sheets so that we can get that scent on there. Because for these, when you guys use it, there's no like scent or anything. So if you guys want like an all natural product that doesn't have like any scent or chemicals or anything, then this is probably the one that you guys want to go for instead of dryer sheets. But that is everything that's on the product. Now the unboxing and testing product. Now the end question of whether or not it should work or not. So for the product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially like I mentioned, if you guys want to look for like an all natural product to help you guys dry your clothes faster and also help with like wrinkles and other stuff as well, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.